Hi there, it's Mr. Pete from Greensboro Public Library's Central Branch, and I'm going to show you how to make this fun little pine cone hedgehog. For this project, you'll need a pine cone. You'll also need some craft felt. You can use any color you'd like. I'm using this nice hedgehoggy tan. You'll need something for a nose. I have a brown pom-pom. You'll also need some eyes. I use googly eyes, but you could also draw them on with a marker or make some out of another color of felt. You'll need some glue and some painter's tape to hold things in place while the glue dries. Here are the two shapes you will want to cut out of your felt. Now here's another look at the shapes. The half circle with the bumps will be the head and ears. The other shape that looks like a rectangle with 5 bumps will be the hedgehog's belly, feet, and tail. I drew them on with a marker and cut them with good scissors. You might want to draw them on paper first to get them just right, then cut those out and trace them onto the felt. The half circle with the little bumps will become the head and the ears. You curl it up like a fat ice cream cone. Glue where it overlaps and tape it to hold it together. Make sure the tape isn't touching any glue so it can come off easy. I want to show you the headpiece from a few angles so you know what you're going for. Now is a good time to glue on the eyes. Use tape to hold them while they dry. Remember to make sure the tape isn't touching any wet glue, because once it dries it'll be hard to get the tape off. Next, glue the head to the belly piece like so, and then you tape them together. Put glue on the inside so that when you put the pine cone in, it sits on the glue. Put a spot of glue on the point of the face and glue your pom-pom here. Tape it on to hold it while the glue dries. Now this is a good time to set the project aside so the glue can dry good and strong. Just to be safe, I like to give it a whole day for the glue to dry. What you could do with the rest of that day is, while you're waiting, is you could talk to your mom and see if maybe you guys could make some chocolate chip cookies. And you could request some books from the library, which is really easy. All you have to do is go to the Greensboro Public Library's website and do a search for the word hedgehog. These books are about hedgehogs in the wild. These books are about what it's like to have a pet hedgehog. And we have lots of storybooks that are about adventurous hedgehogs and more. And even more. So, when it's a day later, carefully take your tape off of your hedgehog. And ta-da! You have a hedgehoggy friend. Thanks for watching.